Imagine you're finally done with your day. You've got your squad online, and all you want to do is jump into a few rounds of Valorant, but then it hits you error code. That dreaded failed to launch message pops up, staring you down, preventing you from dropping into split or ascend with your friends. It's incredibly frustrating, isn't it? That feeling of anticipation turning into immediate disappointment, wondering why your game just won't cooperate. You've tried clicking it a few times, maybe even restarted it once, but nothing seems to work, and your friends are just waiting. Well, you're not alone in facing this particular Valorant headache, and the good news is for many players, this error is totally fixable. In this video, we're going to dive into the most common and effective solutions to banish error code for good. Get ready to reclaim your ranked games and get back to clutching those rounds, because by the end of this you'll know exactly how to fix that pesky launch issue and jump back into the action. Alright, let's start with the absolute basics, because honestly, sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. First things first, try giving your entire a good old restart. Then make sure you're completely closing out of the Riot Client and Valorant itself before trying to relaunch them. It sounds too easy, but this often clears up temporary glitches that cause error code, letting you jump back into the game. Now, if a simple restart didn't do the trick, our next suspect is often Riot, Vanguard, Valorant's anti-cheat system, which can sometimes hit a bit stubborn. Head into your control panel or settings, find Riot Vanguard in your installed programs, and you installed it. Don't worry, the game will prompt you to reinstall it when you try to launch Valorant again, and a fresh install of Vanguard can often resolve those frustrating launch errors. Moving on, sometimes Valorant just needs a little more authority to get going, or your system needs a quick tune-up. Try right-clicking the Valorant shortcut and running it as an administrator. This can cause permission issues that might be blocking the launch while you're at it. It's a great idea to ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated and check for any pending Windows updates. This outdated software can often cause conflicts and prevent games from starting. Finally, if you're still staring at error code, it's time for a deeper dive, starting with your system's defenses. Double-check your firewall and antivirus settings to make sure they aren't mistakenly blocking Valorant or the Riot Client from launching. If everything else has failed, your last resort, but often a very effective one, is a complete reinstallation of Valorant itself, giving you a fresh start and usually clearing any corrupted files causing the error.